Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to lock photos and videos in calculator on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. Now from this list, just select your language. Then tap on Done. Now from here, just create a 4-digit PIN. Then tap on the equal to button to save. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then tap on the equal to button. From here, tap on skip, then tap on close. Now just tap on next and tap on get started. Now to hide the photos, just tap on photos, then enable this toggle. Then go back. Now just enter your PIN. Now to hide the photos, just tap on photos. Now from here, just tap on the plus icon to add photos. Then tap on gallery. Now from here, just select the photos which you want to hide. For an example, I will select these photos. Then tap on hide. And once you do that, you will hide the selected photos from your gallery app. Now if you go to the home screen, as you can see, the selected photos has been hidden from the gallery app. Now just enter your PIN. Now as you can see, these are all the photos which we have hidden. Now if you want to hide the videos from your gallery app, just go back and tap on videos. Then tap on the plus icon over here and tap on gallery. Now from here, just select the videos which you want to hide. Then tap on hide. As you can see, we have successfully hidden the selected video from our gallery app. And this is how you can lock photos and videos in calculator on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.